Hello everyone, this is Manisha. You are watching me on Formula 3F. In the previous video, we have seen some of basic functions of Excel. In this video, we will see some advanced functions of Excel. In previous video, we have seen some function. In today's video, we will see some if and some ifs. In previous video, we have seen average. Today we will see average if and average ifs. And likewise, we will see count if and count ifs. This is the agenda for today's video. Let's begin. In the previous video, we have seen how to use sum. We will make a small recap of it and we will do it again. In the Excel, formula starts with the is equal to. Sum means addition of the addition of the uh, whatever we want, addition of the column or addition of the rows. Here we will get addition of all the prices. So simply select the whatever addition you want and hit enter. Remember, Excel automatically closes last bracket. If you don't close it, don't worry, it will automatically close the bracket. This is the formula for sum. Now we will move forward and see the formula for SUMIF. Now here we have three arguments. We have to pass three values or three three things we need to complete this formula. Here range means in which you want to use sum if. Now let's see it with the example. If you want sum of only the mobiles, in the product list we can see if you want sum of only mobiles, you don't want any other product, then in that case you can use the sum if formula. So first argument will be the range. Just select this range, then you want criteria. Which sum you want? I want the sum of mobiles. So don't forget to use double quotes. Whatever string you are passing, that should be in the double quotes. And sum range. Sum range will be this range. We want sum of this price. Then hit enter. Here you can see 70,000 mobile. This is for 20,000 and this is 50,000. Your sum will be 70,000. In the next, we will see SUMIFs. When to use SUMIF and when to use SUMIFs? SUMIF we use when condition will be only one. Here we want only mobile. Now, if now we want, we will see for the laptop. If we want laptop and from the US region, we want some of laptop from the US region. In that case, here we have two criteria. One is laptop and second one is region, US region. In that case, we will use SUMIFs. So, is equal to SUMIFs. And now select first sum range. We want sum of this range. Enter. Now criteria range from which we have to select criteria that range. Again, sum range, criteria range and criteria 1. We want laptop. Again, criteria range 2. We want second criteria from the region, and we will select that. Again, criteria 2. Here we want some from US region. Again, that's it. Hit the enter. Now you can see here this laptop US region 1 lakh. Again, this laptop from the US region 1,20,000. Total will be 2,20,000. Now average. We will see again average. Just type in and Excel will automatically provide you the formula average of the prices. Hit enter. Okay. Now we will see average if. Same ways as we have done for the SUMIF. Criteria and all the things should be same. Range 1. Here we will see the criteria will be headphones. Okay. We want average of headphones only. Criteria headphones and average range. We want average of this range. Hit enter. Okay. Now we will see average ifs. Now if we want average of mobile from India region, in that case use average ifs. Okay. Average range will be this range. Again, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1. Again, criteria 1. Here we want average of mobile. Again, criteria range 2. Criteria 2 range will be this. Again, criteria 2. We want from India. Sorry, I have made some mistake here. I forgot to give double quotes. Now, this is okay. Again, okay. Again, we will see count. We have already seen, but let's do it once again. Count value 1, 2 means how many count of cells. So 10 cells. Now we will see COUNTIF. COUNTIF. Now we want count of mobile. So first argument is range. Select this range. Next is criteria. So criteria will be the mobile, double quotes, hit enter. Count is 2. Here products are 2. Again COUNTIF. Again same procedure. COUNTIFs. Criteria range 1. Again criteria 1. Criteria 1 will be, we will see for laptop from India region. Okay. Count for laptop from India region. Range of criteria 2 and criteria 2. Criteria 2 is India. Hit enter. See. India 1, 1, 2 and 3. Count is 3. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more videos.